In this video, I'm going to be going through with you some common time problems. So in the first question here, a train departs Dublin Euston at 6:40. It arrives in Kent Station, Cork, 2 hours and 50 minutes later. What time does the train arrive in Cork? So I'm going to write this, first of all, my hours and minutes. So I have the 18:40 and then 2 hours and 50. And we're going to add these together. So the minutes first, so 40 and 50 gets us 90 minutes. 18 and 2 then we have 20. So you never see a time as 2090, but you know that in 60 minutes is 1 hour, and in 90 minutes is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So let's change that 90 to 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I'm going to get rid now of the 90. So I'm bringing 1 hour, so it becomes 21. I have 30 left over. So I have 21:30. So my answer is 9:30. Next one now. A car starts its journey at 8:30. It arrives at its destination 3 hours and 40 minutes later. What time does the car arrive at its destination? So we have 8:30, and then we have 3 hours 40 minutes. So let's add. So 30 and 40 is 70. 8 and 3 is 11. So now we have 11:70. But 70 has gone past the hour, and 70 minutes is 1 hour and 10 minutes. So let's change this now to 12 and then 10. So our answer to this question is 12:10. Okay, let's have a look at another few. Okay, so here Susie worked from 6:50 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. on Monday. How long did she work? So we're going to be subtracting here. So we have 11:30 and then 6:50, subtract this. Now we're doing 30 minus 50 first for the minutes. So that'll get us a negative number, so we don't want that. So what we'll do is we'll borrow from here, and then I'm borrowing an hour, so I'll be 60 minutes I'm adding on. So this will become 90 now. 90 minus 50 gets us 40. 10 minus 6 gets us 4. So we have 4:40, so we have 4 hours and 40 minutes. That's how long she worked for. The next one now, a flight arrived in Dublin Airport at 12:30, so 30 minutes past midnight from New York. The flight duration was 6 hours. What time did the flight depart New York? So for this one now, if you wrote it as 00, then you're 30, and then, subtracting then 6 from this, it doesn't really look right. So I'm going to change that 00 to 24, because it's midnight. Now it's a lot easier. So this will still be 30, and then 24 minus 6 is 18. So then you have 18 hours and 30 minutes. So the time was 6:30 is when it departed New York. Last one here. So John worked from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. How long did he work? So for the 6 p.m. here, I'm going to change that to 24 hours. So just add 12 to it, so it's 1800 hours. And then we're going to subtract 10:30 from this. So again here, so if we're doing the 0 minus 30, we can't do that, so let's borrow an hour. So this now would be 60. 60 minus 30 is 30. Then 17 minus 10 is 7. So we have 7 hours and 30 minutes. And that's our final answer.